Hey gang, the rain cleared up. We got another 6 mil since my last video or whatever it was, so we decided to bring the old Outback Cadillac down to have a look at the creek down at Starlight. She's pretty intense. Like the old saying goes, if it's flooded, forget it. You've got water rushing down here, down the mountain, into the river. You've got water coming down this side from the mountain into the creek. And everywhere, all over this mountain, there's little rivulets and stuff running into this place, so it's pretty full on. You can see it running down over there as well, up the thing.
We should come around from the other side.
We should, yeah.
It's nice to see those falls.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, we're going to go around the other side. So we turned around, went back around the other way. Have a look at the creek here. Is this Browns Creek? What creek's this called? You can't get up to where the waterfall is. The ditch through there. Oh yeah, yep. So it's just ripped through here. Anyway, we'll try and see if we can get to the falls. Righto, we'll go through this way. I'll see if I can keep this. Let you see what's going on. Through here, I've got me snake-proof boots on. See, where are they? There they are. Snake-proof boots. Probably not slip-proof. See how we go. Way. Lantana everywhere. How close can you get? Oh yeah. I'll go and get a quick shot of it. Taking people for a walk. Well, up over here. Have a look, see there. Oh, you can almost see the falls through there. It's fairly ripping. Oh, if I can get up the top of here. Alright, we'll have a bit of a climb up this way. See what we can see up here. Still got my safety boots on. There's fucking holes everywhere. Go through here. Oh, here we go. Go down this way. See if we can see anything down through here. Still a bit hard to see through there. Might be a gap through here. Hang on, let's go over this way. Oh, there we go. Sneak down here. And under this right here. Across here. Bloody lantana everywhere. It's fairly pumping down there. Lovely. Alright, gonna find my way back to the car, I guess. Right, this way. There's a big climb. What? Through here. Up over here. Righto. There's the Outback Cadillac hiding down there. Ba, 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 righto. Back to where we started from. Righto gang, I'll leave you to it. Sort of take you for a little walk. Might show you the Whopper Falls. We're going to head around there and do a bit of a drive around all the different waterfalls in a minute. There's a rescue helicopter going overhead. Alright gang, back to the car. Back to what you were doing. Enjoy the day. We were going to go on a bit of a waterfall tour, but they're fixing the bridge. We'll go down and see how this creek is here. Ripping through here as well. Bit slippy. Quiet day. This is a really nice swimming spot. I don't know whether it's a good idea to try and swim here though. You haven't? It's just pouring through here. Waves of it coming through, almost like swells. And watch that rock over there. It's crazy. Certainly wouldn't want to be swimming in it. You could almost surf here if you're really little. That creek there, and then the creek through there that you can't see for the trees, and they meet here. It's caused a whole maelstrom of water. You can see here, water's ripping down through there, but it's going back in the opposite direction this way. Just too much water to get out. Alrighty. So we're at Whopper Falls now. Downstream from the dam. Looking pretty insane. some months back, there were a couple of teenagers swimming in here. Unfortunately, they drowned. That was the memorial that they put up at the signs. It's a washing machine, even when it's not running that hard. It's a washing machine here. Very you've got to be very wary where you swim. We were at Whopper Falls before. We're just heading down to check out the dam, and looks like she's pumping a bit of water through here. Not overly huge, but it's impressive. Very impressive. How are you, buddy?
Good look, mate.
Hey, pretty wild, isn't it? See that? She's barely pumping out. Thundering through. Yeah. Need to break out the laser. Pretty mad. Oh well, we'll keep on our journey.